creating a new canvas. Mine is 30 by 10 centimeters, and using some scanned images of your own artworks, as I have done here, we're going to create a drop repeat, half drop repeat. So I'm just copying elements of that design over onto my new canvas, and by pushing edit paste onto the new document, you can see that I have it right there. I'm going to make some adjustments to that because it's oversized. So go over to edit and free transform. That will allow you to adjust your shape, move it around, rotate it, and it's just making it easier to adjust on screen. So now we want to get rid of that grey matter. We're going to select that area and then select similar, so all that matter's selected, and then hit delete. Just zoom in and tidy up any areas with your rubber tool. And now we're going to duplicate that image by selecting all and then heading to edit, copy, and then edit paste. Be aware that you will now have a new layer, so everything on that layer is editable unless you change it. We're going to copy and paste it again, and I recommend just having a play around, seeing what works for you in terms of your imagery, and go back to your original document with your scanned drawings and add more elements, and keep repeating that process of cleaning up that background, because obviously you may have scanned in the paper, so you want to remove that, and any other bits that might be lingering, even over the canvas where you can't always see. So just be aware of that as well. A quick way to change the colours in your design would be to select the colour, select similar, and head to select and colour range. In this window you can select the range of colour that you want to highlight, so more or less depending on your design, but it doesn't just limit it to your layer, it takes the whole image into consideration. Then go to image adjustments and hue saturation, and there you can play with the values of your design and change the saturation. So I've made very slight adjustments, it's just because the yellow and the orange are quite similar and I want those to stand out. So tweaking the design again, I'm just going to start moving elements around so they don't look too uniform. And again, it's up to you to make those decisions really. Now I'm halfway through making my design complete now, so I want to merge all these layers because I'm happy with that layout. Then I'm going to copy this layer, selecting all, and then edit copy. But do not paste, just copy. The next thing you're going to do is head to image size and write down your width and your heights in pixels. Write that on a notepad somewhere. Click OK. And then head to filter, other, and then offset. Here have your values in front of you ready and a calculator. So in the horizontal value, select 0, vertical, you're going to divide your height value that you wrote down by 2 and add that value in there, and then make sure wraparound is selected at the bottom and hit OK. As you can see, the image has jumped slightly. Next thing you'll do, you'll go to canvas size, select centimeters, change it to percent if it isn't there already, and then change your anchor point to the middle left arrow. And then in the width value, put in 200% and then click OK. Now you can paste in your previous design, it was waiting there, and move it across And Adobe CC is really smart with the guide, so you can make sure they're in alignment almost. I'm not quite complete with this design and I want to add something else in the middle, so I'm going back to my original artwork and dropping something in there in the middle, deciding what will work. So now I'm ready to turn this into a repeatable tile. So select all and head to edit and define pattern. And that's going to be saved to your pattern list now, and you can call it whatever you like. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to open a new document which has enough surface area for me to fill. So I like to always test pattern repeats if they're this small on a canvas size of about 100 centimetres by 100 centimetres. And remember to keep the resolution the same as your artworking tile, because then you could have some discrepancies between the actual scale. And then head over to your bucket tool, select that, make sure pattern is selected and find your pattern and click on the white space, and there you have it. Have a close look at your pattern, check that it's seamless and that you're happy with it, and then you're good to go. So thanks so much, let me know what you think in the comments, and hopefully I'll bring you a video again very soon. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and you can follow me on any of these social media channels. See you later, bye!